and this is in the 1/2 inch version. Now it actually comes in a 3/4 inch version also, but I went ahead and went with the larger one because this one goes from 17 Newton meters to 340 Newton meters, which is a lot of pressure, everybody. And let's just go over everything you get with it. So you see this nice case it comes in, very solid case overall. It has a 4-inch, I think that's a 4-inch adapter. So we got that piece on there, that's on there solid, and you get the 1/4 inch to 3/4 step down right there. So you see that nice, and they both are in there very secure. And going over the paperwork that you get with this, you know what, if you've ever used a torque wrench, you kind of know what to expect. You get your certificate of calibration reported. I really like seeing that it's actually been QC'd and inspected, and look at all the different types of measurements they've got on there. Now this right here is just going to kind of go over, they have it going over several other product line. You can see there's some shorty ones in there, so that I've got this longer one, and some of them actually have the removable end on it. This one does not, so it's the solid end, and it just shows you basically how to go over it. It's in several languages and all that, so we won't need that. So number one, look at the nice quality of this. This would easily compete with some of the higher end torque wrenches in my opinion. This thing is solid. Now you do get batteries with it, and to put the batteries in, they are some AA batteries, 2 AA batteries, and they go in just like that, the negative side down, the positive side up. You just put that on, screw that in, and we are set. The batteries are included right here. I might put a second set in there. To turn this thing on, there's a on button right here. So I was just putting on a rear differential cover, and it's still at 33 foot-pounds of torque on there. And this thing came in extremely handy when I needed to that. To adjust it, all you're going to do is go up and down on the actual up and down arrows. See how I want to go 33. Let's go ahead, let's raise it up to, let's go 35.52. So you guys see that? Now it's in Newton meters. It's got a little symbol right over here on the side. There's pounds, inch pounds, foot pounds, and kg centimeters. So there's Newton meters on the first one. Second one is inch pounds. Third one is foot pounds, because now this is all 35.5 by the way, and then kg point centimeters, so that'd be 490 centimeters, 48 Newton meters. Let's do it at foot pounds just for the sake of this video right here. You can turn it on and off if I want to clear it. I can hit that. Now it is cleared right now. Now it's ready. Let's go ahead and let's put a socket on here, and let's test it out over here on a tire. I've already used this thing on a rear differential, and it worked perfect for that. I see no issues with it hitting the spec that it needs to go on. But let's go ahead and let's put it to test, testing a lug nut on one of my tires. Okay, so I'm over here at my truck tire. Let me go ahead and show you guys how this thing works real quick. There's the 21mm socket, so I do have that on here. So all I'm going to do, and a truck tire, so mine goes up to 120, so I'm just going to show you exactly what it is. See, I've got it set on 120, so, and it's on peak, so it's going to hold whatever the peak is on this thing. So let's go ahead, let's tighten it down. So that let me know that one's at 121.4. Actually, we don't need this. Let's go ahead and take this off. I don't need that adapter. You can try not to use an adapter. I would recommend it. 109, 117, 120. So we are right at one. That lets me know I'm in the green. I am on it. I just went over it. Try it one more time. Perfect. I already did inspect out all of my lug nuts on here, so I know they're all perfect on this thing. So yeah, I recommend this for anyone that's just looking for a good affordable torque wrench that can do inch pounds, foot pounds, Newton meters, pretty much everything that's a standard on there. Functions perfect and has replaceable batteries and can kind of get the job done no matter what the job is. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the VANPO, digital torque wrench. See you all in the next video.